Hello everyone, there is another video for you. Today what we're going to do, we're going to replace a charging port flex for tab T Tango 320. Okay, that's the one. Okay, so what we need to do, first we need to know there are three different parts here. One of them is back cover, which is attached with the mid frame cover. That is no mid frame. So what are you going to do, instead of opening the white one, because once we open the white one, then we need to open the gray one, which is silver one in the middle. Okay, so without opening this, we're going to open together the mid cover and the back cover together, so we'll save our energy on this. So what we need to do, we need a spudger or something like iSysma, put it in the gap and just slowly push it down and carry on. Let's see what happened. It's opening. So you need to be careful when you come to the to the laser and next to the charging volume up and down button and the power button. Just need to be a bit careful in there. Yes, fine, it's working fine. So now we're going to try from this side. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit difficult at the beginning. Later on it's going to be softer. 1 second. And make sure you take out your memory card, but we don't have any because we already tried. There is no memory card left over. Second. It's a bit hard, but that's the only one way to open it. Fine. Okay, so it seems the two part already came out. Now this corner, which is a bit pain to open it, so we're going to try from here. Yeah, once you open one edge, then rest of the edge would be very easy and simple. Okay, as you can see now. Yeah, see, so it feels like it's breaking down, but it's not. Okay. I will show you why I opened these two parts together. Just let me open it first. Yeah. Alright, so let me show you why I did not separate this white one. The reason is, as you can see, there are lots of plastic rabbit. It does work like a kind of hooks, okay? 1, 2, 3, loads of them. Okay, a rectangular all the way from top to the bottom. Okay, so the problem is, if you open it, then later when you try to click it to close it back, there would be a big gap and you can see the job is not, it would not be done professionally. Okay, so that's the reason why I open mid cover and the back cover together. So let's begin the main part. Okay, we need Phillips screwdriver. First, the safety way is to take out the battery, but this battery is 0% anyway, so I don't care about it. I'm taking out the connector. Now to screw, which one secured the charging flex. Okay, one, two. So that's the port which is broken. So we got the right part. Supposed to be here. কই গেল মিয়া এখন না খুললাম so we got the right part take it out and put it on place yep first 2 screws fine now click it once you hear the click noise that's mean it's secure correctly so now this is the time to test it yeah as you can see the battery sign is that clear once you can see the battery sign that's when it's charging okay yes here you go okay. So now we're going to put back the back cover the test already finished so now we're going to put back the back cover see we saved a lot of time I know first it was like kind of difficult okay one more thing it might happen with your one okay as you can see this metal filter which one covered the speaker one okay so we just need to put it back on the right place okay sometimes it does come out yeah it should be that way fine it's brilliant now this is the time to put it back so first always I try to put the bottom part okay and now we just need to click okay all right so it's all done let's double check again so it seems it's charging everything is fine I hope you do like this video if you have any question regarding this model please leave a comment below and if you do subscribe that would really help me thank you so much for watching and bye for now